Imagine watching your favorite shows anywhere, anytime with just your phone. Welcome to the world of mobile IPTV. In this video, we'll explore how to quickly get IPTV on your device. Get ready to transform your viewing habits. Discover 2TV.store, the best IPTV provider for seamless streaming. Enjoy unmatched mobile content, tailored perfectly for you. Now let's dive into setting up IPTV effortlessly, starting with downloading a simple app to get started right away. Once the app is downloaded, install it with a few taps. Stay tuned as we move towards accessing endless content. Open the app and enter your login details. This grants you instant access to a universe of shows and channels. Explore the intuitive interface and pick your favorite categories, dive into your choices, and enjoy an unparalleled experience. The possibilities are endless with IPTV. From sports to news to entertainment, stream live with impressive quality. Experience uninterrupted, on-the-go entertainment while maintaining flexibility and convenience, no matter where you are. Visit 2TV.store for more amazing IPTV deals, ensuring seamless satisfaction, tailored for your enjoyment. Get ready to revolutionize your streaming experience with mobile IPTV. Let your phone be your entertainment powerhouse.